Welcome. You're at Alien Base Idaho right now, and we're going to be taking a look at some shots of a craft that flew through, caught on security camera. These are night vision cameras with infrared lighting. And we're going to take a look at the craft with the pilot in it. Here's real time flying through. Just the way the camera caught it. Here's slow time. That's as slow as I can slow it down on the computer. And here's a stop action shot of the man sitting in the craft right there. We're going to take a look at it again, real time. The way it flew through. Slow speed, slow as I can make it. And then stop action with the guy sitting in the cockpit right there. Okay, now we're going to take a look at a little bigger shot of this. And we're going to see that this is the actual film footage, stop action. And this is a picture that I took with the camera, close-up camera, trying to enlarge it and give you a little better picture of the guy sitting in the cockpit and what the craft looks like. And we've got a shot here. This is a daytime shot of the area we flew through. There's a 40-foot garage right here that sits in there. This is a wood pile, metal roof cover on the wood pile, 16 feet wide. And you're going to see the craft fly right through here, over top the wood pile. There's a garage. There's a wood pile. There's a garage. Flies right in over here. And flies right on through. Now this is him sitting in the cockpit right here. And here's his propulsion pack. There's a propulsion craft that are flying through here. You can see the tail propulsion here. He's got a nose propulsion here for forcing the craft up or down, depending on which way he wants it to go, left or right. And this is your propulsion pack down the side. There's probably 20 units there. They're firing. All right, now here's a little closer up picture. You can see the garage right back here. He's flying through. Now this right here, it sits underneath the back end here. It's kind of a wedge shaped. This is a power pack for his propulsion system. This is where he carries the juice, whatever makes his craft fly. You got your propulsion out the back end here, all down the side and in the front. This right here is a gravity force field. It comes out and kind of layers and spins around the craft. As the craft is flying, it kind of looks like wings flapping, but actually these are the propulsion layers, the gravity force field layers for this craft as they spin around. Now here are a couple of shots of actual spacemen, Supermen. These guys are 7.5 feet tall. They each wear a power pack on the back and a helmet, and this is their force field cloak that they wear. Now this guy here, he's caught sitting in a driveway. 3/100ths of a second is each shot of the film. There he is, shooting up in the air right there. Now he's 150 feet up in the air from the ground. 3/100ths of a second from this frame to the next frame. When he shoots up in the air, it's like he's shot out of a cannon. Watch close. 3/100ths of a second. Boom, there he goes. That's how high he is. 3/100ths of a second. These guys fly at hundreds of miles per hour. Once again, here's the garage in the back. Here's the wood pile cover. And we're going to take a look at these guys flying through here again. Now you can see this is the guy, the actual pilot sitting in the craft. This is a force field around him. It spins around him. Here's the propulsion system. Front, rear, front and rear. And this is the side propulsion all the way down. Now this is him flying through it real time. And a couple seconds later, 2 seconds later, is another craft that shoots in after him. Real time. There's 2 crafts there. Mainly concerned about the guy flying the craft. This one here, this is what it looked like coming in. This is what it looks like a little closer up. There's 5 helmets in there. There's a 5-man craft that they're flying after that one dude. Right there, the dude flies through. The craft flies through. There's 5 guys in that long craft. Right there, 5 guys in that craft. Okay, this is, you can see the guy sitting in there. This is Alien Base Idaho. Punch that in, go to YouTube, punch in Alien Base Idaho, bring that up. I got 10 movies there. They're all good. This is a space cowboy out.